tiny learners.
Come along with Milo and listen for the tiny ting-ting sound. Milo the mouse heard a tiny sound. Ting, ting. He looked around, but no one was there. Then ting, ting, ting! Milo followed the sound into the tall grass. The grass whispered, "Shh, shh." But that wasn't the sound. Milo walked to the little stream. The water bubbled, bloop, bloop. But that wasn't it either. A soft glow floated near him. "Hello," said Luma the firefly. "I heard a sound," Milo said. "Let's find it together," said Luma. They walked through the quiet forest. Leaves rustled, swish, swish. But still not the sound. Milo felt a little tired. They sat under a quiet tree. Everything became very still. Then, ting, ting. Milo looked down. The tiny bell on his neck moved. Ding, ding. Milo blinked. It was me. "You found it," said Luma. Milo giggled. Ting, ting. The sound stayed with him. And Milo felt happy all the way home.
Did you have fun with tiny learners today? Please give us a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring the bell icon so you never miss a new adventure. See you next time.